Hey guys, Eric with Rockin H, and a quick tutorial on how to use PayPal shipping. I'm a huge fan of it. It's a big time saver for me as I don't have to go to the post office, and it just is so slick because it automatically sends your recipients a notification of shipping, so you don't have to take a photo of it and do some of the other steps that are common when we are shipping products and letting our buyers know that we've shipped them. So first thing you're going to do is log into your PayPal account. Then you'll select Activity and All Transactions. Then you will find the transaction and select Print Shipping Label. Once the window pops up, you will have this shipping information as default settings. The carrier name, USPS, priority mail service, medium flat rate box. Those are all defaults. And if you're to use priority mail, you would select which type of package you're using. Normally I'm using my own package, and you'll have to put in the weight and then the box dimensions. For this particular package, I'm going to ship first class parcel, and you can use this for anything 15 ounces and under. Anything that's over 16 ounces, you have to use priority mail. So for this package, it's actually only 14, and so I will put I'm going to put 14 ounces in here, and actually I'm just going to go right up to the limit. And then it's not a large package, it's just a package or a thick envelope, and I will select that. And then you have some other information you can add in. You can add insurance if you want, signature confirmation at additional cost. You can display the postage cost on the label. I don't select all that, and it's by default it's not selected. Then you're going to calculate the shipping, and then if you're satisfied with that, confirm and pay, and off you go. At this point, you can print the label, and you are ready to ship. At the bottom of the page, you can select a packing slip. You can print that if you choose, and then there's some other choices if you need those as well. I hope this video helps you streamline your shipping at your house. If there's other tutorials like this that you need that would help you out in your business and supporting your hobby, let me know, and I'll be glad to shoot those and get them out to you. Thanks for watching.